Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. What a time to be alive here with ICP Internet Computer Protocol. We are up something like 10% on the day. The other day we were up maybe 13% or something like that. And I can tell you that this kind of moves that we are seeing here with ICP are very familiar, right? I think we are now headed for the next parabolic stage of this bull cycle. We are actually on the verge of confirming something here with ICP Internet Computer Protocol. But as you can see today, I'm showing my face because I want to share the excitement with every one of you. And let's quickly jump right into our first chart here, which I was saying that we literally could be headed for the next parabolic stage. I mean, take a look at this chart here. This is ICP on top, and this is Tron back then in the 2018-2019 bear cycle. Take a look at where we are right now, even from a time frame perspective. I mean, we are really getting super close, right? So what you also notice is that you have this initial rally, right, that can crash even like 80%, 50% before the huge parabolic one shows up here. I personally think that ICP is headed to something like $200, and even way beyond that. As I was saying in previous updates, I was saying that the charts that I'm taking a look at, and they're actually suggesting something like $1,000. But of course, I mean, we need to take profits in the bull cycle, right? And I think $200 is a fantastic spot to be taking profits on, right? So not only are we having this Tron chart here, we also had like the chart of Nosana that, I mean, I was showing you that, look, in crypto, if you want to get rich, I mean, don't think that this thing is going to be okay all the time. Actually, if you take a look at it, 90% of the time you're down, right? It's only 10% where you are excited. So you should actually normalize this kind of things here. So ICP here on top, here in Nosana, we are pretty much seeing the same story. So I'm very much excited because of that. And we are also taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart here, and we are seeing this rising wedge even on a weekly time frame. Should this thing collapse here, I mean, all hell is breaking loose. I mean, take a look at the stock market. Everything is all-time high. I really don't know why the markets are excited. The Fed isn't even cut right at this point, but I think that we are headed for a fantastic time in the market, right? So let's quickly take a look at the ICP Internet Computer price chart here on a shorter time frame and try to see where we are headed. I'll also go back to the longer time frame perspective and show you where our price targets are coming from. But remember, we're looking at this structure here saying that we have got a Wyckoff accumulation pattern here, which would be supported right around these levels. I mean, the support level is already huge and stuff like that, but we were breaking slightly below that, and we are now back on top of that. So we are looking to break above that trading range here, and once that is confirmed, I think it's really going to be an amazing thing here for ICP. What we are also seeing is that if we just go back to the linear chart one more time, we can see we have a falling wedge here with ICP, and it's looking like it's already beginning to break out, right? So that's a very good sign. I love falling wedges. I have really been lucky with them. And usually when you take a look at a falling wedge like this here, you are looking at like the top of the falling wedge as like your price target, and that is putting ICP right around like $19 thereabout, which is obviously where we were picking right around there in March. And yeah, that's good. I mean, if we go back there, it's definitely something that is fantastic. But what we are also seeing is that short term we have got resistance levels beginning to show up here, right? So take a look at this here. There is a bar of resistance. We are fast approaching that level there. And then moreover, if we take a look at our 50 daily moving average, we are seeing that we are right on that, right? We are literally kissing it right at this point. But should we have a break and close above this level here, I think that that could be spelling that ICP is very much stronger than the bears actually anticipate. Once we get a close above this 50 daily moving average here, that is around, maybe we can say, let's say here $9.60 or something like that. This is massive confirmation of strength, because the last time we had a cross like this one, it was back here in something like October 2023, and we saw, I think this was what, maybe 400% pump. Let's go ahead and try to measure that right real quick. So from this, I mean, right here, it was even way higher than that. It was something like, you know, 575%. That's great. I mean, we need a confirmation of this just to confirm that the bulls are back in control of the market here. But let's go ahead and also refer to our Fibonacci retracement tools, right? From the top right and then to the bottom here, we're just fighting the first Fibonacci retracement level. It's also coming into confluence with that 50 daily moving average right there. But let's go ahead and clear this support level, because it's kind of, you know, yeah. So the next big resistance here is looking like it's $11.60. Should we manage to beat this one here at $9.36, we are looking at something like $11.60. Then from there, yeah, I think the bulls would really have to fight so that this price really continues to go to the upside, because there is a lot of traffic right in this region here between $11.60 and $13.40. There is gonna be like some massive battle right happening in that zone. But I mean, think right overly, I think I'm pretty much optimistic. But I was also noticing that on a weekly time frame, again, this 50 period moving, obviously now this is on a weekly time frame, is looking like it's already, I mean, the chart is already trying to break and close above it. So that is an early sign. Also take a look at what happened the last time we crossed above that level. That was great price action. So I'm looking forward to these things here. We are also taking a look at the MACD, right, on a weekly time frame, indicating that there is strength on the ICP price, and here on the daily time frame as well. I mean, it's pretty much clear where we are headed, but I wanted to show you where the $200 is coming from, right? So I've been showing you here the price only, but I didn't refer to the market cap of ICP Internet Computer Protocol. Now I refer to these ones really because there is less effect on it rather than the price because of dilution and stuff like that. I think you already know the tokenomics of ICP Internet Computer Protocol, but here there is something that is very important that a lot of people really don't pay attention to, and they really don't consider, to be honest with you. But if you take your Fibonacci retracement tool, right, and grab it from the very top here where we peaked initially on the market cap, not on the price of ICP, to its very bottom here, you can see that whatever was happening here was just like, I don't know, I think it's child's play, to be honest with you, because we haven't even touched the first Fibonacci retracement level here, and it's almost like a rule. In the years that I've been in the market, I haven't seen a chart that just falls down and never fails to touch at least the first Fibonacci retracement. But the price coming back to this Fibonacci retracement level really has got significant impacts on the ICP Internet Computer price chart here, because essentially you would have cleared all resistance levels. Take a look at this. There is no resistance here. You could literally see the price like rushing like you have never seen before. So now, if all these resistances are cleared, where exactly will ICP be headed, right? Here we have to also refer to our Fibonacci retracement tools, right? From the very top of that structure to the very bottom one more time. We are looking at the golden ratio. That's the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. And it's sitting right around, like we can say, $110 billion in terms of market cap for ICP. And from where the price is sitting, obviously here, let's go ahead and try to measure that, right? We're looking at something like a 25-26% to that. That's fantastic, right? Should we do the math here? Let's go ahead and try to maybe say 23 multiplied by the current price of ICP, or what is it, $9.40. Let's go ahead with that 9.5, right? 9.4 actually. We will definitely be looking at something like a $200 ICP, and for me, that's really, really great. As I said before, they're just suggesting something like $1,000. Maybe that's not something for this bull cycle, but if you want to think about it, that would be a market cap of something like, you know, $500 billion, $600 billion thereabout. Is it really impossible? Probably not. I think, you know, these things just need time. ICP, in my humble opinion, best blockchain on planet Earth. The price really doesn't suggest that, but I hope and trust that utility will win the day, and definitely whatever development is happening here on ICP Internet Computer Protocol will translate to superb price action here. So that's pretty much it for me today. Obviously, remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I sell, right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves.